Hello, I'm Arka Gohil. I come from Rajkot, Gujarat, and I've completed my Bachelor's in Mechanical Engineering from VIT Vellore. I've joined SJM SOM in their MBA program as a fresher.
I'm Vidisha Bose. I'm an electronics and telecommunication engineer. I graduated in 2020 and I have a work experience of 29 months in IT industry.
Hello everyone, my name is Samar. I was born and brought up in Mathura and I completed my graduation from IIT Surat in the year 2020. Thereafter, I worked with Quail Oil and Gas as a production engineer for a period of 1 year.
Hello everyone, I am Amol Agarwal. I completed my graduation in chemical engineering from BITS Pilani in May 2021. After that, I worked in 2 companies for around 22 plus months.
So my other converts included IIM CAP and MDI, but I chose SJM SOM mainly due to its Mumbai location, the return on investment as well as the academics. Also another factor that I had in mind was the sporting infrastructure of the institute, as I really enjoy sports.
I got converts from all the BB and UIMs. I chose SOM because of the legacy which SOM IIT Bombay has and the fact that we can leverage the ITP ecosystem, we can collaborate with thousands of students which are in the campus, and the location advantage which the college provides, and last but not the least, the stellar placements which it provides.
So when I visited the SOM's website and I researched more about the institute, I discovered that the faculties here are really good. I had a particular interest towards marketing and the marketing faculties are also really good with many international recognitions as well. The class discussions and the case studies which happen here are really insightful and cover the latest topics and trend in the marketing area as well.
So I had calls from SPJIMR, MDI Gurgaon, IIT Delhi and IIT Kharagpur. But the reason why I chose SOM over these colleges was the student faculty ratio here is very good and the help that you get from the IITB ecosystem is seamless.
My interview experience was largely driven by the preference for marketing that I had given in the application form. The panelists focused on a few academic related and project related questions, but mostly were focused on the internship that I had done, which was in marketing, and what were my takeaway and learning from the same.
My interview started with a brief introduction about myself, and the hobbies which I mentioned in my introduction were asked, and also the question that why I wanted to do MBA was again asked. And next the question about my work experience followed, and ultimately a situation based question was asked.
So my panel consisted of 2 professors and 1 other. The questions were largely based on my work and my educational background as well as my personal interest as I filled out in the application form. They also included topics from the current affairs, technology and the latest management and economic news that are coming up on stage.
So my interview of SOM was a holistic experience for me. It covered both aspects, my work life and my academic life as well. So talking about the work life, so questions were evenly, since I had worked in both companies, so questions were evenly spaced from both companies. And in terms of academic, basic concepts about your engineering degree and chemical engineering concepts were asked.
The journey till SJM SOM was very smooth. I focused on writing the application questions well, and then I day in and day out prepared my current affairs, the geopolitical equations of the country, and also made sure to have a special focus on my academics and the projects as well as the internships I'd done in the past.
My interview experience was very unique. We were assigned a PI buddy who helped us in clearing any of our doubts, and during the interview we had a table buddy who helped us to navigate throughout the interview. The interview consists of 2 panelists, one was a professor and other one was the alum of the institute.
So the interview process for the SOM was pretty smooth. We received a PI kit with all the relevant concepts which could be used in the subsequent interviews. We were also assigned a PI buddy who helped in subsequent stages of the interviews till the final interview. Our application form was also very helpful because as you fill out the form, you actually get to know more about yourself and what are your interests and subsequent attractions towards the MBA.
So one thing which particularly helped me during the admission process were the PI kits that were provided by the institute. The domain in which I was interested was SCM and operations, and the kit that was provided by the institute covered all the concepts with very much clarity and examples.